Hi, this is Jason here. I'm working on a 2012 Chevy Silverado. If you have a headlight that keeps burning out, more than likely it's going to be your connector is burnt or broken. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change that. So I have on my truck right here, the tools you are going to need are a torch. I got this one for $5 down at the liquor store or something. You're going to need crimpers to crimp the butt connectors. You are going to need dikes or cutters to strip the wires. I recommend using AC Delco or GM products. I got the connector right here with 68 bucks at my Chevy dealership, and also a new light bulb. This light bulb right here at the Chevy dealership was $21. So here we go. I'll get you into the connector. As you can see right here, this is my connector. It is burnt and also broken. So here we go. I'm going to get my new connector here, and it comes a lot longer than it's supposed to be. So what I'm going to do is measure it to where the old butt connectors are and cut it. And I'm also going to cut these wires down here. Here's my old connector. Now on these, you don't have to worry about crossing the wires. It is okay to cross the wires. So I'm going to take my cutters and I am going to strip the wire back. Sorry about my phone. You just pinch it a little bit, kind of pull, and it'll strip that wire for you. Crimp it, pull, strip. Now these butt connectors are waterproof butt connectors. That's why you have to have the blowtorch when you put them on. I like to do one at a time. So you put that butt connector on, take your crimping tool, make sure the wire is inserted, and crimp it. Now on the other end, you're going to strip these wires also. And you do these wires one at a time, and I'll show you why in a minute. Okay. The reason why I crimp these wires one at a time is because when you go to use the blowtorch to melt them down to be weather tight, is you don't want to melt them together, which happens a lot. And also you don't want to over melt them either. Now if it catches on fire like that, just blow it out. You want to make sure to get all the way around the connector. Once you see that little goop coming out, or it get goopy, that's good enough. Now we'll do the other connector. Okay, and also the trick is when you put these butt connectors on is to give them a little tug to make sure that you did crimp them down all the way, and they're not going to pop loose at any time. So put my put my other wire in, crimp it down, give it a little tug, and then we're going to melt this one also. Now with these, you don't have to use electrical tape after you're done, because like I said, it is weatherproof, waterproof. These come with the connector. But I always like to use electrical tape just in case. Just in case any water, dirt, mud gets in there, that it's protected. Okay, after that, we can get our halogen bulb. There is a myth about these halogen bulbs. They say don't touch the glass. Fingerprints will make it, the oil from your fingers will make it pop, burn, whatever, but that's a myth. Don't worry about it. So you insert this into, this one's going to be hard to see. Insert it into the light switch. You will need two hands to do this. And it has, the light bulb has little tabs on it, so it'll only go in one spot. It's usually at 90 degrees, and then you turn it clockwise to lock it in. There. And then you can take your connector, connect it in. And like I said, it doesn't matter which way, it locks in either way. And this one's a little hard to get to because it's behind the windshield washer tank, which is okay. If you can't get to it, what you can always do, get it plugged in. You can always rotate that connector out, or I meant the light switch out. Plug your connector in, and then you can turn it down to where it locks into place. And these, you'll feel it when it locks into place. And then you kind of put your wire behind there, and that's it. That's how you fix a light bulb that keeps going out, especially on the Chevy Silverado. Like I said, it's 99% of the time it's that connector making a false connection. Just burning that light bulb out. So if you like this video, hit the smash the like button, subscribe down below, and I'll be coming out with more videos about pretty much GM, Chevy vehicles is what I specialize in. If you'd like to see a video on something, please leave a comment down below. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video.